This tutorial describes the search and research capabilities of the World Science Network. If you do a search on key terms such as meningioma and radiation, click search, a listing of articles both in the network and from other journals, so-called legacy references, will show up. If you click analyze results of this search, then a listing of 3 separate entities arises. One is journal articles by year, according to the topic, where those journal articles have been published, according to the top 30 journals, and who did the writing of those articles. So one can see what journals are most interested in this topic, who is doing the writing, and the pace of science in this area. This is automated analysis of search. It's a unique function for the world. One of the other elements is to look at the data itself. So let's type in trigeminal neuralgia, open up articles here, and you can see that there are several World Science references on this topic as well as legacy references. Let's look at a World Science interactive article. We'll click on one of these. This is one from the University of Pittsburgh. It's loaded, and we can read it, or we can open a drop-down menu of questions and really ask any question we want. Here's one that's describe the main conclusion. Ask the question, and there's the answer. Here's an article from the University of Virginia on trigeminal neuralgia. Again, we can ask a question. What's the main limitation of this study? Ask it, and there is the answer. That's advanced use of text. Let's look at the data itself. There are 2 data shares associated with each of these articles. These are data shared for the world. You can see the Pittsburgh paper includes 500 patients and the Virginia 151. We want to combine the data from these 2 reports. We'll click on Data Share under Patient Characteristics and then go to the Combine box, click it. Each of the data shares is listed, and then below you'll see Combined Data, and now we have 654 subjects with an average trigeminal length of 7 years, and so on. These articles also have data shares on outcomes. So here's on pain relief. Whatever one you want, you can combine the data, and any of the fields that are shared will be statistically analyzed. These are the advanced capabilities of research in world science.